Hey everybody, welcome. I'm back to another video. I'm with my brother like always. Today I'm gonna be playing Bee Swarm. And yes, this is and in today's video, me and my brother, are gonna try to we are gonna be playing.
Oh wait,
Bee
I was
Swarm.
watching the TV.
And
Okay, I'm right here.
play this game a lot. So
Yeah.
fun.
Yes, so fun.
Wait, turn off something. I'm shutting down the computer because I was playing it with the computer. Shutting down. Okay, there.
So,
Yeah, like I always say, too laggy. Sometimes I'm not laggy because I'm not in my house. I'm just place a gun drop.
wait, I'm gonna finish this contract so you don't waste it.
Bro, you wasted all my gun drop. Yeah, thanks. You steal all my gumdrops, so I'll steal yours. Oh, wait.
Ooh, it's daytime now.
Yay. Go watch our last video. What was our last video?
I think it was
Theme Park Tycoon?
no. Was it? No, I think it was Piggy. Glitches.
Yeah, Piggy Glitches. Well, this is the same day. This is actually the same day. No, double. Double. Double is two. That's why. The triple is three. I know. What do you want? A third upload?
Oh yes.
One more upload. It's my first time playing this, so don't ask how do I have a little bit.
I've been playing this like 100 times.
I'm making some honey, so I'll just wait and watch the TV.
Oh my god, I'm getting stuck in my parachute.
Comment flash it down below.
No!
What happened?
You see this? I'm trying to get like the top of it.
What's on there?
It's a royal jelly.
No! I need that.
I haven't tried it because I don't know how to get on it.
Me? Imagine my lagginess will make it.
I will hate you.
Why?
See, there's like a hole over there.
Extra queso y más pepperoni por solo $6. Solo un tonto pagaría más por menos ingredientes. La pizza extra dos pesos por solo $6. $22 Caesar pizza.
Stop! I need to go back to the scorpion field. Really, I'm mad. They're making me go to places where I already went. Me recording everyone. What? We're not talking to our viewers.
I know.
You mean?
I'm talking to these guys. The ones that are in the game. I know what someone's gonna say. Mm-hmm. That's what they always say to me. Come on, I can't get up this stairs. Stop. Come on, stop being laggy for 1 day. I mean 1 year.
Yes, Queen.
No, stop.
Scorpions.
I hate them.
Scorpions.
You're one.
Scorpions.
You're a scorpion.
Scorpions. I'm
You
actually
are.
gonna do 2 quests. I got a dice.
A dead?
A dice.
A dead. Because you're dead.
I am.
Yes. This isn't the real world. You're just
And
dreaming.
you're dead too.
Oh, well, yeah. That makes sense. I can't even see the rhino beetle.
The scientist makes you kill all the animals.
What?
The science bear makes you kill all the animals. So does the polar bear. No, not the polar bear, the panda.
Don't go near bears in real life, guys.
That's the game. I don't know. Saying that whoever does that is dumb.
Just imagine someone's going hiking, and then they just touch a bear. Oh, and
They thought it was a
and then we say that, and they're gonna be, oh, jeez.
They were spying on me. They were gonna say it. How do you know?
I'm doing it. Is this guy yellow, or is it just me? I'm not talking because I don't know why am I watching the TV.
I'm watching the TV too.
That's why I'm just going forward. Come on, Nikki, I made it. I made it, guys. What's in here?
Why am I not talking?
I don't know why me neither. It's just the TV.
Someone turn off the TV, please.
But our grandma's gonna get mad.
Not really.
Oh, jeez! I never noticed that someone's killing me. A lot of bees are going to sleep. What is that? The Mickey Mouse machine? Come here. Ha! Get it, guys, get it. My bees are useless. And this is it for this video, so bye.